Your branch is Electronics and Communication Engineering. What is electronics? We already knew the term electron from our previous classes. Maybe you might be studying in the 10th class or 9th class. You studied the electron. But what is this electronics? Now we will come to know what is this electronics. Generally, when we perceive anything with our physical senses, whether it is solid or a liquid or a gaseous substance, everything in this universe is made up of atoms. Sir, I will take this chalk piece, this is made up of atoms. Whether you take this board, this is made up of atoms. Whether you look into the fan, those are made up of atoms. Anything which you see with your physical eyes, they are made with the atoms. If you touch any liquid, water, but the substance, whichever you are calling as a liquid, that water is made up of atoms. Gaseous substance, when we take the breath, even that air is made up of atoms. So whatever the substance you see in the universe, you observe the atoms. So it is nothing like I am holding a group of atoms. I am holding some group of atoms. These are group of atoms. Everything a group of atoms. Everywhere to the atomic scientist, he can see only the atoms. Now in this atom, there are subatomic particles. In every atom, there are subatomic particles like proton, electron and neutron. So, sir, why these are called subatomic particles? Because in the atom, these particles are there. And the electrons are revolving in the orbits, whereas the proton and neutrons are existing in the nucleus. Why electrons are revolving in the orbits? The electrons are revolving in the orbits because of the nuclear forces. Now, these electrons can be controlled by us. We can use these electrons for the current. We can use these electrons for your operation of TV. We can use these electrons for your operation of mobile. We can use these electrons for your operation of any electronic device or electric device. When you want current, we take this help of electrons. So controlling of these electrons, we call this branch as electronics. That we will study in the first year. Now, in 1 cubic centimeter atom, 1 cubic centimeter crystal. This is the cubic centimeter crystal. In this cubic centimeter crystal, there are 10 to the power 24 atoms. In this small chalk piece, there are 10 to the power 24 atoms. So if there are 10 to the power 24 atoms, if we write on the board, the number of zeros also we are not able to count. That many crores of atoms are existing in this chalk piece. If the number of atoms are 10 to the power 24 in this 1 cubic centimeter crystal, then how many number of electrons are existing here? There are crores of electrons. So whatever the substance I am holding here, it is group of atoms, there is no doubt, but it is also a crores of electrons I am holding. If we can control these crores of electrons for the operation of any electronic device, then we are learning electronics.